Good news to everyone watching me right now. Very good news to everyone that is here with me right now. And this one deserves a full attention. Today, let's talk about something positive, something celebrating, something that truly deserves to be celebrated. You see, when pastors get it wrong, people talk about them. People attack them. And so when a pastor gets it right too, we must also speak up and appreciate such pastor. And this is coming from Pastor Jerry Eze through the Jerry Eze Foundation. Is about to roll out a life-changing empowerment, which is a grant, and you could be one of the beneficiaries. That is the reason why I'm bringing it up to you on this channel. Please listen carefully. Over $300,000 will be shared among 100 young Nigerians. I think you're supposed to celebrate this. Over $300,000 will be shared among young Nigerians. That is not small money. If your passion is agriculture, technology, ICT, and every other things in manufacturing and all things like that, this opportunity was designed with you in mind. Let's put it in perspective. Let us break it down. $300,000 is close to 450 million naira. Okay, and each selected person will receive at least $3,000, and which is about 5 million naira. All right, think about what 5 million can do for you to start a real business, to grow what you are already doing, or to create jobs, and which can easily change your life. My advice is very, very simple. I just want you to apply wisdom here. Okay, you can try and search for Pastor Jerry Eze official handle on X, formerly Twitter, so you don't miss any instruction on how to apply for this grant. Okay, and this is very, very important. The process will not be handled by the church alone. A reputable international consulting firm will oversee the affairs of the grants, everything, so that everything to ensure fairness, transparency, and credibility of the distribution. All right, this grant is for young people who are serious about building something meaningful with their lives, not those, my people. And this is not there is no any shortcut here. Okay, I'm bringing you this information early, so accept it as a teaser. So full details are coming very, very soon. I just want to encourage you to share this video, comment interested, subscribe to my channel, and equally subscribe to Pastor Jerry Eze's page so that we don't miss the updates, and follow up with the information on his handles. Okay, I will continue to monitor the process and the progress of the distribution of the grants so that I will update you as well on my channel. All right, and always remember that our God can do all things. That is, with God all things are possible. Thank you. Look out for my next video. Bye-bye.
Hello, family. I am Pastor Jerry Eze. I come bearing good news. The Jerry Eze Foundation this year will be rolling out an empowerment grant of about $300,000, and these will seek to touch the lives of about 100 young persons who are interested in doing something phenomenal in agriculture, in technology, and of course in manufacturing. And so the grant will see that each and every one of them will get at least $3,000 to support businesses or help them pioneer businesses in technology, in manufacturing, or in agriculture. And this is going to be handled by a reputable international consulting firm. They will be the ones in charge of the process to ensure transparency and openness. And so all I'm asking is to bring you the news before the big news. This is a teaser. I believe that God has so much to do for his people this year. This is just a part. This is us playing just a part and being a part of the big thing that God wants to do for people this year. Jerry Eze Foundation caters for the total man. And keep watching the space as we bring you details of how this will happen. God bless you. For what our God cannot do does not exist.